No, turn it around. What is that? It's not M. It's W? Yes. What's that? R. What's that one? I. What's that one? B. What's B? Basket? What's that one? X. Q. Q. Yes. What's that one? Z. Very good. What's that one? T. What's that? D. What's behind? What's D? What do you put on D? Yeah. G. Grapes. Grapes. A. Eat it. Oh, yum, yum, yum. A. Apple. So B. What's that? L. Leaf. Leaf. What's that? Moon. M. Moon. F. What's F? Fish. E. Turn it around. It's upside down. Egg. It's dirty. I'll go put the E on egg. Blue egg. What's the other one? What's the next letter? What's that? H. House. What's that? Umbrella. Maria's an umbrella. What's that? J. Jump rope. We're missing K for key. It's missing. What? Brown? You're silly. Put it on the brown one.
Hey!
There you go. I'll get another one.
Okay.
What's that?
I had one.
Pink. Where's the pink fish? What?
Yeah.
Haha.
Purple.
Purple. What? Where's purple?
Yeah.
Yellow. Yellow. What's that?
It's fine. Blue. Yellow. You made two ovals.
Yeah, we made two oval.
White. White. You
Go get
made
it.
a straight.
Oh no, you're stuck.
What happened?
Sissy got stuck.
Most of the things forget. No.
look. Look what I found.
Okay.
Can you put the K, Alex? Good job.
Now we found the K.
Why are you eating the ring? Come on, come here.
It's a donut.
It's a donut. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it sweet like Daddy's donut? What's that, Sissy? What's that?
Green.
Green. What's that one?
Red.
Red.
I picked this donut up.
No, Alex, you have to find the missing color. Oh, then you threw the other color over there. Can you get it?
No.
Did you see it? Where is it? What color is that? Yellow. Yellow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
All done?
Now we'll get one more piece and one again.
You got them all? What's that, Sissy? Numbers? Are those numbers? 0. What?
Look.
Are you gonna do it yourself, Alex?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Can you do it fast? All done. Okay, put it together. What happened? You're silly. What's that, Sissy? That's 3. Turn it around. Look for the 3 fish. That's not fish, that's turtle. Put it on the fish. Where's the yellow fish? There you go. Now turn it around. Ta-da! What's that one?
What?
0. 9.
Zero says nothing.
6.
Zero says nothing.
Yeah, 0 is nothing. It has nothing in there.
Why?
Because it's 0.
Oh, that's right.
4.
That's right. They doesn't have
7.
7.
2. 2 turtles. Are we missing 1? Where's the other one? We're missing 9.
I don't know where's 9 is.
Where's 9?
I don't know.
It's missing?
Yes.
Okay, time to put it away.